Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to call someone on Instagram. First of all, open your Instagram application and make sure to log in into your Instagram account here and tap on this message icon at the top right corner and open the conversation, or you can search for a specific conversation using this search box. So open the conversation whom you want to call, and then here you will get these two options. One is voice call, another is video call. So to start any call, just tap on the icon and your call will be started. And to disconnect the call, tap on this disconnect icon, and that's how we can do this. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.